Have a look at the living room, guys. Here your entire is going to be a very spacious kitchen where you get two sides of. This is your very spacious room, guys. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of Narang Valora by Narang, located in Malad. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside, also be showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this particular project. So as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. To my left is the sales office, and then exactly right behind me is the actual land parcel. Have a look at it. You may also have a look at the neighborhood of this project. This road right here leads you to the main road. So this road will lead you directly to the main road, and this is going to link you to the link road as well. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry, because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 2.78 acres with single towers. So basically it has two towers, but one tower is dedicated for the tenants. Storage of this project has ground plus 42 story of tower. And talking about the configuration, so this project has 3 configuration, 3, 4 and 5 BHK with duplex option available. Talking about amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities, which includes an infinity swimming pool, a dedicated clubhouse, business center, gym, kids play area and many more. Talking about the connectivity, this project is located in Bangur Nagar, Goregaon West, with Bangur Nagar metro station at a distance of just 5 minutes, GMLR at a distance of just 5 minutes, Coastal Road again at a distance of just 5 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey की Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers do not know what their actual rights are. For example, if you have given a token amount to a builder and booked a house, but now you want to cancel it. So how much amount can the builder legally deduct? Also, let's say possession के बाद कोई भी construction related issue आता है या leakage issue आता है. So what liability does the builder hold? All this information we've explained in very basic and easy to understand language in this series. So next time when you plan to buy a home, go through this series. ये series का link आपको नीचे description box और ऊपर I button में मिल जाएगा. Now let me give you this 3 BHK sample flat tour within carpet area of 1411 square feet. As I enter, right here is your foyer place. Have a look at the foyer space. And then when we move ahead, right here is going to be your kitchen. Come, let's have a look at the kitchen. So this is going to be a very spacious kitchen where you get two sides of parallel platform. Again, just have a look. There's so much of walkable space in this kitchen. Enough place to store your cabinets on all the sides of the wall. And then you get your dry space here to keep your washing machine. Again, a spacious dry space. Let's go ahead. As we move ahead, right outside the kitchen is going to be your dining space. So this is going to be your 6-seater dining space. Again, a spacious dining space. As you all can see, I'm just walking around and showing you. And then comes your very spacious living room. Have a look at the living room, guys. Here your entire 3-side sofa set is placed, and still there's so much of walkable space. And the floor to ceiling height in this house is going to be 11.2 feet. Also, you're going to be getting marble flooring in the entire house, which is the best part, like you can see in the sample flat. Now, the best part again is going to be your balcony, which is attached to your living room. A spacious balcony, as you can see, where you can have your nice coffee with an amazing view outside. So as you're going to be getting mangrove view outside, just imagine having coffee over here and seeing that natural view in your this very spacious living room and very spacious balcony. A dream for a lot of people. Now we'll be moving ahead and checking out the other rooms. So let's go. As I walk ahead, right here is your powder washroom for your guest. So again, a cozy, decent size washroom which is going to be for your guest. And then right in front of it is going to be your bedroom number 1. Come, let's have a look at the bedroom number 1. So this is going to be your bedroom number 1, and the best part of this house is that every room, yes, every bedroom has its attached washroom. So that is just dedicated for your guest or your servant or whatever. This, every room, be it bedroom 1, 2, 3, everything, everywhere you're going to be getting attached washroom. As you can see, there's so much of walkable space in this room as well. All 3 sides, I'm just walking around and showing you. And then this side of the wall is dedicated for your window. So here you're going to be getting German window. Yes guys, which is going to be heat proof and soundproof, and also 5x of the amount of price which we get from other builders. So this is the best part. And then comes your attached washroom. Have a look at the attached washroom, which you will be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Before moving ahead, this wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space, so enough storage for every person in their room. Now let's move ahead. As we come out of bedroom number 1, this is going to be your bedroom number 2. So we have entered your bedroom number 2. Again, a spacious bedroom with a lot of walkable space. I'm just walking around and showing you. Right there is going to be your attached washroom, which you'll be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings again. A spacious washroom. And then this wall right here is dedicated for your wardrobe space. And then again, opposite to it is going to be your window. So entire wall dedicated for your window. Now we'll be going and checking out the last bedroom, which is the biggest bedroom of this house. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the biggest room. Before entering here, you get a space, you can say a foyer space for your room. Right now we have placed the Ganesh Murti over here, and then when we walk ahead comes your room. So this is your very spacious room, guys. Just look at the amount of walkable space in this room on all 3 sides. Right here again, this entire wall is dedicated to your window with an amazing view. And then right here is going to be your running wardrobe. So this entire thing is going to be your running wardrobe. And then right in front of the running wardrobe is going to be your attached washroom. Again, a spacious washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Narang Valora by Narang, located in Malad. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.